Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm also fine. First of all, I would like to thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So today's topic is mall shopping and market. If we talk about shopping, then shopping is the one of the most important part of every person life because it brings a smile in every person face. If anyone go for shopping, then they choose mostly people choose a street shopping, means local shopping. If someone choose a mall shopping, at that time they check the value of his money, because if we going inside the mall, at that time we need a lot of money, because there's things are branded and its quality is too good according to me. So that's why every people thought that if we prefer mall shopping, at that time we have a lot of money. But if we going in a local area, at that time we don't know about what we go for bringing, which things are in our eyes, we if we like, then we choose it. But in mall, if we go in a mall, at that time we know what we want to choose. And in a local shopping, we do a bargain, a lot of bargain. If someone said we gave these things in 700, and we also said for a lessing price. If we going in a mall, then there's no use of bargaining, because there's a fixed price. And they also means if anything about 700, then they also written the price on it mostly 2000, after they gave a discount on it. And we thought that we take in a very less price. But we don't know about this thing. If something is in 700 and they gave that thing in 2000 after they gave a discount, then what's thing we gain? But mostly people who are rich, they thought that if they doing a shopping of local area, then it's a same thing for us, because they has a lot of money. About this thing, many people also thought in a malls, if we go in a malls, then everything is available in, or we want to choose anything like grocery and electronic things, and many things. If we go in a local area, at that time everything is separate, but in mall everything is available. We go in one place, after we available everything, and it saves a lot of time after we find anything. And there's no pressure on everyone for choosing and to find anything, because there's a section. If we want to go in a men's sections, then we need everything of men's. If we want to choose anything women's, then we go in a women's section. Also, there's cinemas and gaming zones where we entertainment a lot. But in a street shopping, we go, there's everything is separate. Also, in street shopping, we have a bond between shopkeeper and the customer, because we do a bargain, and many times shopkeeper told about the things which one is suit on you. I don't know why they said, but mostly cases, if you go in a market for buying clothes, at that time you are confused. Their shopkeeper also said that this is a shoot on you. If it's shoot on you or not, it doesn't matter. But they said that. So this is easy for us choosing things. In many times we make a good relationship between customer and seller. In if we do street shopping. At that time, we also enjoy the food of street. There's price is less, but if we go in a restaurant, means in mall also a lot of zones like restaurants and gaming zones and many things. So all things are available in. If we go outside for means out local shopping, at that time we also worried about climate. If the climate is bad, means raining is happening, at that time we trap in heavy rainfall. But in malls, you go means if we enter in it, at that time we watch there's no use of, means it rain affects nothing on it, because the climate of mall is always same, because there's a lot of air conditioners and facilities which is helpful in a pupil's life. So every pupil don't afford shopping of mall. So mostly pupil do the street shopping. If anyone want to do a mall shopping, then they prefer it. But sometimes we thought that if we bring anything in about less prices, then why we use a mall shopping. Also in a street shopping, there's a lot of qualities and brands. In many times we get a good brands, and many times we also get a bad brands of many things. If we talk about the quality of malls, then all time it's not good. Also sometimes it's getting destroyed and bad. At that time we thought about the behavior of malls pupil and street pupil. Then both are different according to me. Also I go for shop anything, but I don't know how to bargain, and I carry my friend, and she know how to bargain, which means a shopkeeper, because she is also a shopkeeper. She is not shopkeeper, means she running the shop with the help for his family. And she go, and the shopkeeper said about the thing about 300, but she said it's only 140 rupees. After I am shocked, because she less the half prices of thing. At that time I am shocked, means if we talk about bargaining, then many people who bargain a lot. Means I don't know how to bargain, but I have an experience. So I also do this in another shop. But they said to me, you available this thing in this rupees. Then I gave a two threes in free. But I said, no, I don't do this. My friend gave me a suggestion about it. That's why I do this. Also, both shopping are best according to me. If you have money, then you both shoppings are good. So that's all.